Welcome to Healthy and Fitness Academy. Be healthy and stay fit forever with KOKOSHUNGSAN. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell for the latest updates. If you like it, please like, share it, and leave comments. Thanks for your support and for helping us make the world a better place. Can a weight loss program make you fat? There are hundreds of special diets being sold to Americans right now, and many of them have the negative effect of making you fatter as opposed to slimmer. There is the blood type diet, the high protein diet, the raw food diet, the low fat diet, the low carb diet, the low sodium diet, the high fiber diet, the low calorie diet, and the cabbage soup diet, the grapefruit diet, the South Beach diet, the Atkins diet, the slim fast diet, and many more. This organ produces hormones that help control your weight. The problem is that not a single one of these diets is healthy for you in the long run and may even cause you to gain even more weight than ever. The reason these diets are not healthy for you is that they do not reset the hypothalamus. This organ produces hormones that help control your weight. This dooms you to just get fatter and fatter. None of them cures hunger. In fact, they just leave you feeling hungrier because many are based on calorie deprivation. Only a healthy lifestyle that includes exercise and full nutritious meals can help reset the hypothalamus. Most importantly, no matter how much weight you may lose doing these programs, none of them get your body to release stubborn fat deposits. Counting calories is not the answer. In other countries, people eat way more calories than Americans and still manage to stay slim. Depriving oneself of calories not only makes you sick, but it makes you fall off the diet altogether. Throughout the world, people eat lots of carbs, tons of salt, drink beer, wine, and other alcohol, eat ice cream and other desserts, have bread and still remain skinny. Nobody drinks diet sodas. Nobody eats low-fat food only. They eat all they want and do not gain weight. How are they able to do this? The answer is that the food is produced differently than in America. In America, for example, beef is injected with bovine growth hormone and loaded with antibiotics and other drugs. The beef is fed genetically modified, chemically produced grain and ground up dead animals. This is a toxic stew that you consume full of chemicals, hormones and drugs. It is not the actual beef that makes you fat. It is the additives. The problem with beef in the US is just one example of what is wrong with American diets. Eating naturally, organically and with an eye to reading the label on foods, is the better part of a sensible and effective natural weight loss plan. KOKOSHUNGSAN pays you to have fun. KOKOSHUNGSAN.net